Hello my dears, it's me again, your beloved Nikki. Lots of exclusive content in my profile link. And today we have a new yoga class. Let's start with the cat pose, but add slightly spread legs. Want to know what I do during the day? We put emphasis on our hands, placing them as close to each other as possible. We begin to swing back and forth, transferring weight from our feet to our hands and back. Then leave our legs in place. We put one hand on our shoulder and stretch our hand along the floor. We slowly raise our other hand up and pull it toward the floor. Change the position of our hands and repeat the same on the other side. You can bend your upper arm and bring it to your back. Then we get into a plank, slightly lifting our butt up. We leave emphasis on our hands. We rest our feet on our knees. We transfer weight from right to left. Each time we try to touch the floor with our hips. Sit on the floor like I did. We stretch our hands forward as far as possible. We stretch our back. We feel how the muscles in the groin area stretch. We add a small spring to stretch all the muscles even better. And at the end, we relax our legs a little and stretch them for the splits. First the right one forward, then the left one. Don't forget to add a spring for a better effect. That's all. Want to know what I do during the day? Don't forget to write to me on social networks to find out even more tips on body care. A bonus will always be pleasant communication and photos. I love kisses.